Hello everyone, welcome to Check channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect a wireless game controller or gamepad to your Windows laptop. Now the first thing that you have to do is take your wireless gamepad or the controller and then take out the battery door and then make sure that there are batteries inside, and after that look for a USB dongle like this. You may also find this dongle inside the box. So just look for it, and once you find it, just put it aside for now and then close the battery door. Now what you have to do is go to your computer and then go to Start and then click on Settings. From here, click on Devices. Now all you need to do is take your USB dongle and then put it inside one of the USB ports of your computer. And now you should see the wireless gamepad pop up, as you can see here. Now, if you don't see it here, one other thing you can try is just take your gamepad and see if there is a button like this. If there is, you may need to move it from D to X for the connection to be successful. And once you do, you should see the gamepad or the game controller on your computer. And now we are ready to open up any game and then go to Options and then open up the joystick setup or the gamepad setup and then adjust the controls and play that game. And that is how you can connect any wireless gamepad or game controller to your Windows laptop. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.